Hi everyone, my name is Trisa. You can call me Risa. Welcome to Anju Risa channel. I wanna make a hilarious face mask in this video. If you love anything about handicraft, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. I use cotton fabric for this face mask. The size is 10 cm by 10 cm. I'll provide the size in inches. Fold the fabric in half. Mark 2 cm here. Just draw a line to here. And cut it. Actually, this face mask was inspired by Mary Ann asking me to make a mask with a smile on it. The fabric will turn out like this. Put this aside. We'll prepare another fabric. The size is 16 cm by 20 cm. Fold the fabric in half and press the fabric. I was asked a lot about this ironing board. This is just a regular pillow covered with cotton fabric. Cotton fabric is the best for this because it's heat resistant. You can use any fabric for this face mask as long as you're comfortable. Fold right in the middle here. Okay. And press. You will have a nice pleat when you press it this way. This is easy, I promise. Prepare a red fabric and the size is 16 cm by 7 cm. I'll finish the edge of fabric with 1 cm cardstock paper. If my English isn't clear, you can turn on the subtitle in this video. I provide the subtitle in other languages. Well, I speak Chinese in my daily life. I understand Bahasa very well. English isn't my first language. So you can tell me in the comment below if the translator works well or not. Okay, I have problems with the footage, so I have to prepare another red fabric. I'll attach the red fabric to the center here. I receive advice from my audiences to use clips rather than a pin or needle, because pinholes are bad for your face mask. I'm gonna take this to sewing machine and sew this part with red color thread. Take the fabric we've done at the beginning of this video. Then place the fabric here and here. Sew this part. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can manually sew this face mask. Well, just need a little patience and time, of course. After you sew, turn this away and top stitch this. It will turn out like this. So beautiful. Prepare another piece with the exact same measurement, only without the red fabric. I'll attach a nose wire. Prepare a ribbon that's wide enough to cover the nose wire. About 3/4 inch or half an inch is fine. The ribbon should be slightly longer than the nose wire. Seal the raw edges. I'm gonna press this part to make it more comfortable on our face. If you have suggestions what can be used if we don't have a ribbon, please comment below. In my spare time, I always read all the comments on my videos and I will pin the best comment. Depending on the seam allowance, sew the ribbon slightly below the seam allowance. I've done sewing and you can see how I sew the ribbon. Place it with the right sides together. And sew this part. Make sure that you don't sew through the ribbon. Remember to leave an opening. That's enough for you to turn the fabric inside out. Ta-da! I have done sewing. And it's time to trim this part. Now it's time to turn the fabric inside out. Press the fabric flat down. It's important to press the fabric to have a nice finish. Next is to sew this part. And this time, make sure to sew through the ribbon. One thing I learned after making so many face masks is we have to attach a removable nose wire. This way we can attach the wire. This face mask will be washed a lot, like really a lot. So if the nose wire is broken, you can just easily replace a new one. Fold this part to attach the elastic band. Again, I'm using fabric clips because pinholes are bad for your face mask. If you don't have fabric clips, you can use other clips that won't leave a hole on your face mask. If you have other advice, feel free to leave a comment. You can use a regular button or snap button. I'm not sure what this is called. You can tell me in the comment below. When I was a kid, well, I think until now, I don't really know what this is called. I just call it tic-tac because it sounds like tic-tac, literally, right? Besides, this button looks like blush on our cheeks. Prepare the elastic band with the size 7 inches. Every handmade is unique, so you can adjust the size. If you think this is too small, you may need 8 inches. You can tie the elastic band, it's easier. Or you can sew it if you like. As I said earlier, because our face mask will be washed a lot, so if the elastic band is broken or you want to replace a new one, it will be easier this way, rather than you sew the elastic band to the face mask. All done! Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, just hit the dislike button and comment about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!